So I've just got back from Poundland and I bought this U.S.A wireless tracker. It just costs £4, which claims that it will help you never to lose your valuables, and apparently it's iOS and Android compatible. I thought, well, I'd give it a try and see what it's all about. So what I shall do, I'll unbox it and we'll see what it does. First of all, it's got a little plastic seal on the back there. Get that off. Let's get it open with this. That's the answer. Stanley knife. Open that. And then inside the box you just got this. Well, it's smaller than I thought actually. Plastic case. A little instruction thing. That's the actual tracker itself. Just got an on-off button on the front, and on the back just the name and a little pull tab. I'll check later on what sort of battery it is. Oh, it's a CR2032, which is quite a common battery. It's the type of battery that you normally use for example, a computer motherboard for the BIOS. Anyway, it so happens that I've just bought some of those also from Poundland, and I got a whole pack of them for well, £1. Right, now then, what do the instructions say? Let's put it there so that you can see it in. If I put a cassette tape next to it, that'll give you an idea how large it is. Everybody should have a cassette tape knocking around their office, of course. Now what the instructions say are: wireless tracker instructions. Effective range 9 to 10 meters without obstruction. Well, that's not very far. 3 to 4 meters in an indoor environment. This product is a wireless device which uses searching application. This can be downloaded from your preferred application store by typing iSearching. Okay, well, let's download that then. Just get my phone. Oh, I'm assuming that's the right one. It's had over 1 million downloads. It's only 2-star review though. That's not very good, is it? Maybe that's why it was only £4. Wants to access the device's location. He wants to record audio. He wants to access my photos, media and files on the device. They don't want much, do they? Please turn on phone targeting to help scan and target devices. Yes. Apparently to turn this on I have to hold down the function button for 3 seconds and it should beep. There we go. So that's on now. It says open the app on your smartphone. So what I've done, I've just opened up the app that I've downloaded. I'm going to press the magnifying glass and it's found the video tracker. So I click connect. Connect. It comes up with some Chinese writing there. Hopefully that means that it's doing something. Maybe I have to press that. No. Alert, it says. Anti-lost alarm. And as you can hear, it's this thing that's beeping. Then I can stop the alert. So presumably when I lose something, I just press this alert button and then it will bleep until it's found. And I think that's more or less it. Oh no, it's got a location button here. And it says that the device is near Clapham Junction, which is absolute nonsense. It's nowhere near anywhere there. Oh, here we go. Is it resetting? Take a photograph. Don't know what that's for. There we go. Got a picture of it anyway. Switch on. Press it until it beeps, which it did. Switch it off. Press it for 3 seconds until the long beep sound. Let's try switching it off. So that's off now. Switch it back on. No, it's come up with an alarm signal to tell me that it's been switched off. Oh look, it's flashing to tell me that it's disconnected. If I connect it to switch it back on again, my phone is actually vibrating as well as the alarm going off. There we go, it's on now. And it stopped vibrating. Well, all in all, obviously I need to play with it a bit more, but I don't think that's too bad for £4. I might just put it on my key fob and hopefully I'll never lose my keys again. I should just add that I went downstairs to get my car key fob for my Porsche, which was the cheapest Porsche Boxster in the UK, and because I took it out of range, as you can probably hear, the alarm went off again. So I should get into my phone, connect it again. There we are, connected again. So when you buy the cheapest Porsche Boxster in the UK, of course you only get one key with it. So I can't think of a better candidate to put the video on. And we shall see, if I ever do lose my keys, God forbid, whether I can find them. Presumably if I switch the app off and switch the... I suppose I've got to leave the video switched on all the time because it's got a battery which lasts 3 years. And to stop the alarm going off, I shall have to exit the alarm. There we go. That's it. Thanks for watching.